Hello everyone, enrich your vocabulary daily with Aamya Sachdeva. Use this vocabulary in your daily life and elevate your English to the next level. The word of today is ecstatic. In this video, you will learn its meaning and usage of this word in sentences. So let's get started. Ecstatic is a feeling or expressing overwhelming happiness or joyful excitement. Synonyms for this word can be elated, enthusiastic, overjoyed, and fervent. Let us now see the usage of this word in sentences. Maria's level of happiness rose to ecstatic when her father was around. Next sentence, if the story saves one person's life, then I will be ecstatic. Next, the student was ecstatic when he found out he received the highest achievable score on the IELTS test. Today, I'm just on cloud 9. I'm ecstatic. So, happy learning. Kindly like, share and follow my channel and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.